Hey family, we are so excited to show you what happened over the weekend. And you can see to my right over here, your left, and over here, Ken Hanna with KH Remodeling was here all day Friday, all day Saturday, and finished these rails. And it just really sets off the front of the harbor. Up next inside is the completion of our kitchen cabinets and the flooring. We're waiting on a few logistics to fall in place to get those scheduled. So that's what's next inside. You can see the countertops look absolutely amazing. Those were finished last week, and so we are just moving forward, and we can't wait to give you an update again next week.